Most Koreans crave pajeon and makgeolli on a rainy day. I happen to have all the ingredients, so I was able to experience Korea in my own home.
Cũng chỉ ít cậu cậu.
First, cut the scallions in pieces.
Cho hơi cắm cắm
Cut
dầu.
the squid in small strips.
Ồ.
Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Lastly, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Thinking that it might not be enough, he also added a handful of shrimp. In the big bowl with Korean crispy pancake mix, I added 800 milliliter of water. Add the scallions after removing most of the lumps in the batter. Also, add the seasoned seafood. Pour the batter in a pan with heated oil.